We begin this afternoon with breaking news from Riverside County, where a utility worker was killed in a house explosion in Murrieta. And now the search is on for one person who may have also been inside that home.
Southern California Gas was called out to that home around lunchtime, just around noon, for a gas line that was damaged by a nearby contractor. But shortly after, the home exploded. One worker was killed, 15 others were hurt in the explosion. There's fear that one person who lived in the house was also inside at the time, but that has yet to be confirmed. A nearby house was also damaged in that explosion.